onto the platform, I see there's tools available, there's agents, then there's AI chain, right? Can you describe how these are different from each other and the use cases as well?
Let's assume you are reading your email and you're replying to those email just like. You don't require a big systems to do that. You might require a simple tool which saves your minute time. You can think about 50 email, 50 minutes. Let's assume straightforward, the productivity being improved. Let's say you want anything in a conversational in nature where you understand behavior of the users, or you want to execute the task also, then you want it in conversational nature, you might build the agent which talk, understand as well your language. Let's say you want to go for some appointment in hospital and you'll say that, hey, I want to book my appointment, rather than that it tells you that, hey, these are the slots, these are the doctors available, these are the appointment. You can directly, in 4 shots you can directly say that, hey, it's booked. Now in this case, let's say someone is finding out the doctor's appointment. It means the calendar's going there. It means it could be a tool. Now agent is talking to tools. Let's say you required to understand my behavior being a user, you required a memory also. So you might require a short-term and long-term memory also. Let's say to understand the everything in brain behind, you required a model. In this case could be the LLM. The next time you wanna come on the platform, let's say for the same purpose, it can directly tell you, hey, last time this was happened, now these are the agents. Now let's say you want to build a workforce of it. Let's say in a hospital there are multiple people out there. Now one is, let's say you've gone into hospital, one is scheduled it, they will give you that, hey, go for x-ray once, then let's say go for some of the test even, and then all the reports gonna come up. So these things could be individually could be the agents in these cases, which they are doing specialized work. Like I'm only analyzing, let's say x-rays even, and giving you results.
So they're trained for one specific task.
So that way it's required, because in that way it become more accurate. That way it become more single responsibility, so that it gives you more accurate output. Also the responsibility fixed, that you can have these person wherever you need it for the exam. That problem could be the multi-agentic problem.